Vivid POS is also available in a self-ordering kiosk mode. As we approach the screen, we'll see that we're prompted to enter a phone number, choose guest, or sign up and join to begin our order. In this instance, we'll choose guest. We're then brought into the ordering screen where we can begin selecting from the categories. Once we choose a category, we can then choose from the items associated to that category. Within the item, we'll be given modifying choices. We can click through and choose the specifics that we would like in this order. Once selected, we can choose Add to Cart, and we'll add that item into our cart as indicated by the one inside the cart in the right-hand corner. To go back, we can add a drink to our order. Again, that item will be brought into our cart. As we can see, we now have 2 items. Once we're ready to complete the order, we can choose that cart in the top right corner and be shown a breakdown of the order. We can make edits if we need to, or we can choose Confirm to confirm our payment. We'll enter in a name for the order and then select if we would like to take the food to go or have it here. We also have the option for a discount code. We can then decide to pay and choose if we'd like to pay by cash or card. In this instance, I will choose cash, and I will be given an order number. This ticket will print, so I can bring this ticket to the cashier to pay cash for my order. Once the order is complete, I then can wait for my order and take it to go.